So the other day over on YouTube, another bourbon channel did a room tour of their bourbon room. I had been planning to do something just like this, but now that his is out and he did a call to action, I can piggyback off his. So this is a tour of my bourbon room. It is not the biggest, it's not the best, but it's mine and I love it, and I can't wait to expand upon it and do some more things to it, have some more ideas. That channel is Everyday Drinker, and he's one of the first bourbon channels that I got into, and if you haven't watched him before, I highly recommend his videos. And yeah, this is my bourbon room. Let's go. All right, here is the bourbon room. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna give you a full tour, including the closet, and show you guys what's all in this bourbon room. First up, this is my coffee table with a few bourbon-related books and my Brad's Bourbon Reviews coasters. Had them made by a company called Etched & Pine. There's two different versions of them, wood and cork, and of course had to represent Jedi Talk. Not everybody drinks whiskey, so it's good to have a nice stocked fridge full of Cokes. That is my extras corner. My duplicate bottles are all there. I've got several, as you can see, several Jack 10 and 12s. Those are not even all of them. Those are just ones I pulled out for the video. And my William LaRue Weller barrel. I don't know what it is. It probably was Special Reserve, if we're being honest. This is a box I made when I was in high school, and I use it for a lot of my videos. I used to record on it, and all of my backup equipment is there as well. And this is my little sample shelf, all the samples that get sent to me, along with my Glencairns. And here we go with the shelves. This is the top row of my first shelf here. All the allocated stuff with some Weller, my old Fitz Stag shelf, my Maker's Mark shelf. I try to have these organized kind of well. Like all the Makers is on one shelf. Most of the brands are kind of together for the most part. There's a few exceptions to that. My bottom shelves are just kind of catch-alls. But I try to make the ones that are at least visible in the videos to be a little nicer and a little organized. And I always do it from height, from left to right. I'm a little OCD when it comes to that. Oh, that Redwood Empire is so freaking good. My old Forester shelf with some Larceny A123 and B523 in the background there. Both those bottles are incredible. My little 1792 mini shelf there, along with the Old Grandad 114. And usually I have some Old Grandad bottled and bond, but I'm out of it right now. Oh, the Blue No Juke joints are so good. Henry McKenna Can Take a Hike. And my Wild Turkey shelf with some Wild Turkey 81, which I didn't know was a thing. I found it in Charleston on a trip. The Penelope and Smoke Wagon shelves, along with some Balcones and Quinn's Carolina whiskey, which is a good little $25 whiskey. All my ryes are down here together in one little spot for the most part. It's kind of spilled over. I've gotten a few ryes now. The worst bottle I've ever had, Jim Beam Repeal Batch. And, of course, the Fireball Dragon's Reserve. This is my Jack Daniel shelf. I did this one a little different because I wanted to show you all the Jack Daniels products I have all together in one. And this bad boy right behind this that you're going to see here in a second is one of my most recent purchases. It is a Jack Daniel's Charcoal Mellowing Before and After series. So it's before it's charcoal mellowed and after it's charcoal mellowed. It's hard to say for some reason. Some more of the Jack Daniel's bonded. It's like the bonded shelf kind of. I actually probably should make that the bonded shelf. Hate how that honey sticks out there. I should have fixed it before the video. It's hard to get down there and with this camera. My camera, the one that I'm using for this, doesn't autofocus, so it's really a pain to get down there on those lower shelves. And then finally, this little shelf here with a lot of Buffalo Trace stuff. It's not necessarily a Buffalo Trace shelf because I think I would need more, like 2 of those. But a lot of stuff on here. One of my favorite shelves in the room is this one. I just think it looks really nice. Bowman Brothers, my Baumburgers, my High West Campfire. I still love that bottle. All right, well, that was the room tour. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And I'm going to do what he did. Let me know, tag me in a video of your bourbon room. Let me see what you got. It's always fun to see what people put in their bourbon rooms. I think it's cool. It shows their interest. It shows the type of bourbon they like. I really like this idea. So do it. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, cheers.